In my last video, I have explained you what is database. Correct? We have seen that database is collection of information in the form of tables. Okay? Now, to create, access and modify tables in DBMS, we require SQL. Okay? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Okay? Using SQL, we can create tables, we can update values, we can delete tables or values, and we can fetch records from the table. Okay, so using SQL you can perform all these operations on your tables or on your database. Okay, now SQL can work with different DBMS. We have already seen Oracle, SQL Server, then DB2, etc. Okay, now this SQL statements are basically divided as DDL and DML. Okay, DDL is data definition language, DML is data manipulation language. Okay, so in data definition language there is create, alter and delete table. Okay, these three commands comes under data definition language. Then in data manipulation language we have insert, update, delete values and select. Okay, to fetch the record. So these commands comes under data manipulation language. So in today's video I am going to explain you the very first command, that is create. Okay, so we will be learning creating tables. Starting with the syntax for create statement is create table name, okay, into bracket column 1 data type, comma column 2 data type, comma column 3 data type, and so on. Bracket close and same. This is the syntax for create statement. Okay. Now, for example, we are having student table. Okay, we want to create student table. In this, we want student roll number, name, and class. Okay. So, student is your table name, roll number, name and class are the columns, correct? Now in table we are storing data, correct? This data can be of different type. It can be number, it can be text, it can be floating number, it can be date or anything, etc. Okay, so to specify which type of data it is, we require data type. So data type is to specify which type of data. Okay, so if we have number, data type for number is integer. For text we have varchar. Okay, then float, there is float, and for date it is date, and there are many different data types which can be used. Okay, so we will create this student table. Okay, so create table, table name is student, then into bracket roll number, as it is a number we will take integer, then name, name is text, we will take varchar, and I am taking size suppose 50, comma, class again varchar, okay, bracket close and semicolon. This is create statement for student table. Similarly, we will take one more example, employee. Okay, employee, having employee number, employee name, designation, and salary. Okay, so create statement for employee is create table employee into bracket, first is e number, it is number, so data type is integer, comma, e name, data type will be varchar. Okay, then we have designation, again data type is varchar. Okay, then we have salary, for this I am taking float. Okay, bracket close and semicolon. Understood? So this is all about the simple create statement. Okay, simple create. Now in the next lecture I am going to explain you create statement with constraints. Okay, we will revise it quickly. We have seen SQL is structured query language. In this we can perform different operations like create, update, delete and fetch. This SQL statements are basically divided as data definition language and data manipulation language. In data definition language we have commands like create, alter and delete table. In data manipulation language we have insert, update, delete values and select. Okay, then we have seen create table. Syntax for create table, in this we have seen data types and two examples, student and employee. Okay, that's it. Thank you.